Hello again. Another breezy one, I'm afraid. 2 degrees cooler than yesterday, but it's not too bad. Got a nice little plan for what I want to do today. Is to just go along the seawall, because I've heard from Gary that they've repainted the Devon sign in the middle of the O, in the Teignmouth sign, which is lovely. So that's great if they have. I want to go and check that out. It wasn't done when I was last down there, but apparently it's been done now. Now tomorrow's weather looks promising for my little drone flight. However, I've got an appointment for Mum at 11 o'clock, a hair appointment in the morning, so I'll drop her off at that and hopefully go and do the drone flight. So I don't know what sort of video we're going to get tomorrow, but as for today, we're going to get to Sprey and then we're going to get back along the seafront to see the demolition. And talking to the demolition, apparently the delay has cost 100,000 already. Here's something about it on Facebook. There you go, £100,000 already for the delay in the demolition, but at least they've started it now. So we'll go and check that out on the way back. Hello, hey, happy train to start the day. Lovely, lovely. Less happy about the weather though. Did you notice earlier on when I flashed up the tomorrow's weather? I'll flash it up again. What I failed to draw your attention to was that after tomorrow, rain, 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 rain every single day. Middle of June. Isn't that marvellous? Isn't that marvellous? Missed most of that because I had to reboot my phone. It's a rarity. Never mind. Yeah, it's definitely more breezy on the seawall than I thought it was going to be today as well. Of course, I got the wind blocker on. But yes. Actually looking up at some of the clouds, wonder if it's going to start raining. So here we go, first glimpse. Has it returned? I see. Yes! Lovely! Oh, that's better, isn't it? Oh, it's been done properly as well. Bonus. The only thing I didn't like about the other one was it was done sort of in an amateur way. But that's nice and straight. Lovely. Train too. Happy train to celebrate the repainting. Yay! Yes, I like that. Much more visible from the train. No doubt. Ideal. Well, cheers, Gary, for telling me about that. That must have been done overnight on Sunday. Brilliant. Lovely. Now we just need someone to come along and trim the grass. Otherwise, ideal. Ideal. Well chuffed with that. Oh yes, actually it was so nice up here when it was regularly cut, and they had a couple of picnic tables there which they've since disposed of and thrown underneath the bushes, and it was a real place to sort of sit. There was one chap I was friendly with. He used to sit up here every afternoon. Every time I came along to get some backup content, he was sat there, we'd wave and smile. So his little place is gone. What a shame. Lovely. Now Barry asked me to do a close-up of these trees so he could identify them for me. Saying about them reminded me a bit being in Spain. There's one here, the RIP Andy tree, where unfortunately one of my pals decided enough was enough and well, took a piece of rope and there we go. Terrible. There we go, that's what's growing on it. That's the sort of leaves or the growths, and as I say, very sort of like long sticks. Anyway, there you go, Barry. Let's have a quick scan along the seawall. Not going all the way today. So I've got to get to Mum to a foot appointment later. There we go. Will it be a happy train? Yes, happy! Very happy. But I did wave. No one around me directly, so I gave a little wave like a small child. Paid off. Lovely. Right, let's head back along the seawall and then along the seafront to see the demolition. Lovely. Didn't know that one was on its way. There he goes. Round the corner, on his way to Teignmouth. Lovely. Now, he did give a nice toot. Unfortunately, I was still setting up my zoom, but not to worry, I can assure you he did. So, excellent. Officially 100% a happy train. There we go, that was the seawall. Let's head along the seafront. Balcony over there has been repainted in a green along with the pillars and the gate as well. There we go, you see where it was yellow before. I knew it looked different. Very nice. And again, no beach. What a shame. What a shame. It's a sign. Facing the wrong way today. Let's see what it looks like for the other side. Tuesday the 11th. 17 degrees, possibly apart from the wind. Sunny. No, I don't think so. No inflatables. Boo. Yeah, I think the word sunny from the lifeguards is kind of a case of wishful thinking. But can't blame them. Look on the bright side. Look on the bright side. Caught a glimpse of the demolition in the distance. Certainly down a bit. Anyway, most of the top fence has gone now. Or at least it's at a funny angle before we get there. We're just checking on the motionless bird. As a seagull flies just over its head, inches from it. Are you going to move? Nope. Shakes his head. Nope, don't move. Never mind. Another bird going by there. See, they're not bothered. So here we go. There's only that bit of a fencing left at the top corner there, up here. Yep, they've taken the roof down there where that's all piled up. And the corner's gone there completely. Right, let's get down to the corner there and get a proper look at that. Here we go. Look at that. That's something I never thought I'd see in Teignmouth. I've been there all my lifetime. Pool hall, aquarium, model railway, you name it, all gone now. Oh well, duh. It's not exactly a road though, is it? Yeah. Oh well, when we come back down here again, if they crack on, there'll be none of that up there, so we get another shot of that for the posterity's sake, so to speak. Right, there we go. That's the progress today. Grab a long shot. Just decided to wander up towards the other end of the seafront. Get a few more steps in. Why not? It's a lovely lighthouse. Oh, seafront. Ice cream cone. Lovely. Venus. And of course their tables, formerly known as the Captain's tables. Another quick look at the demolition as we walk past it. Rude not to, wouldn't it? I'm in two minds about that. A little bit sad, a little bit enthusiastic to see what arises from the rubble. Yes. Here we go, triangle, brunch, old pet shop, fountain, back of boots, coasters, and Xena. Wind chimes and Buddhas. Lovely. So there we go. We've got the O painted back to the Devon sign at Sprey Point. Demolition underway. Lovely. So I'm going to get Mum to an appointment this afternoon, then tomorrow hairdressers, but hopefully if it all works out all right wind-wise, I'll be doing Colin's old house from the drone for him. See how it all turns out anyway, see how the weather plays out. And I'll see you tomorrow doing something. Take care, bye.